Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Always feel dizzy and weak? 4 drinks you need to relieve symptoms of anemia. Anemia is a condition that results when your blood has few healthy red blood cells, also known as hemoglobin, which is the main part of red blood cells that binds oxygen. Also, anemia results when you have abnormal or few red blood cells that make the cells in your body lack enough oxygen. The most common symptoms of different types of anemia include the following: feeling fatigue or energy loss, dizziness, fast or irregular heartbeat, cold hands and feet, shortness of breath especially when doing exercise, pale skin, headaches, leg cramps, tongue swelling or soreness, brittle nails. Effects of anemia on the circulatory system. Anemia that results in nutritional deficiency can affect the circulatory system, hence proper attention should be followed to treat it. Circulatory system conditions associated with anemia include dizziness, breathlessness, tiredness, palpitations, fainting. Sickle cell anemia affects the circulatory system by restricting blood flow and circulation all over the body. Some individuals can occasionally have swelling and extreme joints and organs pains, which can last for extended periods, leading to permanent damage to organs. Anemia caused by iron deficiency. Iron deficiency anemia is a disorder where the number of the red blood cells is reduced in the body caused by lack of iron. Iron deficiency anemia and people with high risks. There are diseases which lead to low blood count resulting in the lack of iron in the body. The most common cause is bleeding in the stomach and intestines due to diseases such as stomach cancer, stomach ulcer, bowel cancer. In most women, pregnancy and heavy periods are the most common origins of iron deficiency anemia since their bodies require extra iron for the baby during pregnancy. Anemia caused by vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency anemia occurs when the body produces abnormal large red blood cells that fail to function properly due to lack of vitamin B12 or folate. Causes of a vitamin B12 deficiency and people with high risks. Problems that can cause vitamin B12 deficiency and people with high risk include people with pernicious anemia, a condition where the immune system attacks the healthy cells in your stomach, therefore the body can't absorb vitamin B12 from food. People who have a poor diet for a long time, or follow a vegan diet usually lack vitamin B12 in their diet. Home remedies for iron and vitamin B12 deficiency anemia. 1. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is highly useful for people suffering from iron deficiency anemia. It contains high iron content, minerals and vitamins. For a home remedy, blend 1 beetroot, 1/2 of a sweet potato and 3 carrots in a juicer, then drink this juice once daily. 2. Fenugreek juice. Fenugreek will help with iron deficiency anemia by maintaining the iron in your blood while also producing new red blood cells. One can use both its leaves and seeds to treat anemia. For a home remedy, you can just blend fresh vegetables or fruits together with fenugreek leaves or seeds. Drink it once every day for at least 3 weeks for best results in anemic recovery. Pregnant women should avoid drinking fenugreek seeds or leaves since they can stimulate unwanted contractions in the uterus. 3. Spinach soup. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach is one of the best home remedies for anemia since it is rich in iron content. It also has vitamin B12 and folic acid your body needs if you are recovering from anemia. For a home remedy, drink spinach soup 2 times daily. To prepare spinach soup, blanch 1 cup of spinach and then add some little water to puree it. Heat a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, pan fry some chopped onion and garlic cloves in it until it turns brown. Add the pureed spinach to the mixture with some salt and then heat for 5 to 10 minutes using low heat. When you pay attention preparing this remedy for at least 1 month, you will recover from anemia. 4. Hot milk with blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses deal with the vitamin B12 deficiency since they are excellent sources of vitamin B, iron and other essential minerals that increase red blood cell production. To prepare a home remedy, mix 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses in a cup of hot milk or water. Use the drink once or twice every day.